How to remove users from Amazon account. So let's get started. Now if you have opened up the Amazon application in your mobile device, and to remove the users that have logged into Amazon account, tap on this profile icon from this menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Now once you get to your profile page, tap on your profile name from the top left corner that says hello and your account name. Then a drop down box will pop up. From there, tap on switch account. Then on the next interface, you will be able to view all the accounts that has been logged into your Amazon account. From there, again, tap on this manage option from the top right corner, and after that, select your account that you would like to remove. So select the account and then tap on this cross icon next to that, and then you will have this pop-up box where it says you will be signed out of an account. So tap on sign, and with that the account or the user will get removed from your Amazon account. So that's how you can remove users from Amazon account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.